Hello there and welcome to the Sourced Coffee YouTube channel. My name is Ash and I will be your host for this video. Now before we get started, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our future content. And feel free to check out all previous videos that we have on this channel via the links in the description down below. In this video, we will be looking at this machine right here, the Fracino Bambino 2 Group Traditional Barista Machine, capable of up to 240 cups per hour, with one steam wand, a 4-litre boiler capacity, and it runs off a standard 13 amp plug. This machine comes in a plumbed option but can be run on a separate pump and water tank. It's easy to clean, easy to maintain, and is ideal for busy cafe or restaurant environments. We do provide barista kits to get you started with this one, along with barista training for staff. And we also supply products such as knockout drawers and grinders to meet your specific needs. It also comes with 12 months parts and labor warranty. Now, if you have any other questions or you wish to browse the full range of products and services that we offer here at Sourced Coffee, you'll need to click on the link down below, which will take you to the Sourced Coffee website. We hope this video has been useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you go, and thank you so much for watching this video.